Good noon, everyone. Today, I just want to share my views on literature and society. When we are to understand both term literature and society, we can say there is a very strong bonding between literature and society because society is reflected through literature means literature expounds society, what types of the society at the present time existing, and what types of the society was in practice, and what types of the society will be built in future. Everything can be conjectured and everything can be understood in a better way when we are going through literature. So in such a way we can say that significance of literature to understand people, to scan the mind of people in all ages, that is unspeakable. It means in a words everything can't be revealed, everything can't be expounded. In the same way here we can say that literature is just an attempt of writers to present the things what is means suppose that something is hidden, means the writer will attempt just to expound that things also, and which is in concrete form obviously your writer, your author, that will present that things. It means directly, indirectly, what is apparent, what is hidden, everything will be reflected and expounded by author through literature. So here I just want to say that people they are just ignoring the importance of literature, and they are saying that what is the direct contribution of literature in making society, in making persons. So here we can say what types of the subject we are studying. There is a very less strong bonding between person and subject, because emotionally we are not attached to subjects, but when we are studying literature it means emotionally we are just going through the mind of characters. We are just trying to understand their emotions, their feelings, their problems, their anxiety, depression, everything means what is we miss, what we don't want to share with the others. When that things is being reflected in pages, it means we just find that this character is very close to us, means we means our real life characters that are seen in literature. So literature in many way presents show the real picture of society. Means what the things which are building the society, present society, and what the things built our past society, and what will be means what types of the society will be in future. Everything will be reflected through the literature that will be presented before you, and you have to decide what factors are working and how the things are being changed. At the present time people they are making much and much progress, but they are alone. We all are living just glittering world, but fact is what, even living in a very friendly atmosphere where we are just saying that we all are working in the friendly environment, in the friendly atmosphere, but fact is what means only appearance is showing that we all are working in the friendly atmosphere, we are working in the our own comfort zone. But fact is so many things are latent, so many things are hidden, and these latent things, these latent factor that can be expounded by authors, writer, and through literature. And so going through the literature, when we are going through so many literature, it means what, we are just getting opportunity to understand so many peoples, and these peoples, when we are able to scan those minds, definitely those characters will be present in our society, and very easily we can encounter those types of the characters. So here I can say, very honestly I can say, that what the people they are achieving, what the people they are doing, means something which is running, and means by which force they are being posed to do that, those things are not well being analyzed. This is the root of all problem. Every day we are getting the very successful person, very towering personality, they are committing society. Such news really means make us very perplexed, and we couldn't understand why people they are taking such types of these steps. Means they should not decide means to do such a things, to commit such a heinous things, because life is not only ours. Our life is a gift, and through this life we can contribute to society. Through this life we can make our life more and more meaningful. So we have no right to cut in the meat. Means this cord of life that should not be cut. So to solve the problem, definitely study of literature will help, because suppose that if you are not if you have never studied any literature, not fiction, poem or essays, definitely you cannot understand how to solve the puzzle of life, how to solve the problems of life. So life is the name of challenges, and how boldly, how bravely we are accepting this challenge, this is the important. So in such a situation where particular types of horror that is pervading in our society, and every day what is happening in our surrounding that is increasing our horror and the fear, and all these are making us to say that something is there which we need to understand. So to understand these things we need to go through literature of particular time, the literature of 14th century and the 15th century, and those literatures are not means up to mark at the present time, because things are changed, societies are changed, characters are changed, persons are changed, their problems are changed. Means characters when we are just to say that characters are not changed, means characters you can find similarity between them. You can find the similarity among the characters of many ages, but their features, their characteristics, their needs, their challenges all are changed. Today we all are deserving lords, but how we all are getting. Suppose that if we are not getting our if we are not getting the things in our own way, if things are not in our favor, we just start to think that we can't do anything, people they are not to understand us. So finding no option very easily, and in a means in hurry we just decide no, there when there is no option, and we should just cut the cord of life. This is not the right decision. What types of the time we are going through, what types of the challenges we all are meeting, or we all are to meet in future, just be brave to face that. And all these techniques, all this courage that will be definitely instilled by the literary characters. So just go through literature, and enjoying literature you will find a solution of your problem. Definitely you will understand how to live life. Life is very beautiful, and it is up to us how we all are living this life. Just learn the art of living through literature. That's it. In a very easy way, I just cleared what is the contribution, what is the significance of literature in our day-to-day life. Literature is a very beautiful, and as always shows us path. It is up to us how we all are taking the help from literature. Thank you so much.